Greetings everybody, we back again with another hot episode. Nedbank Cup final, Kaizer Chiefs made it. I'm here with
Soso.
Yeah.
Soso the champion.
Yeah, skip on Bram, skip on. Ngibona shayile jezi, happy.
Mnandi kakhulu. Jesu sibethe zinje.
And mina ngitshelile ukuthi no matter how you win, uzowina.
I told you.
Yeah.
I was not lying. Ngibonile?
Oh, ngibonile kahle. Yini wena bewuyibona ukuthi manje uzowina iChiefs?
Ndiphuphile.
Yeah.
Ndiphuphile.
Yeah.
Ndiphuphile le win 2-1.
Yeah.
Ansho ba 2-1. 2-1 and
Yeah. We should straight wathi opposite score.
Opposite.
Yeah. We should go straight.
Skibidi.
Awufuna ukwazi ukuthi ureferee uzoyenzani.
Wathini?
Ngiyakubona uyaflexa phela ngejezi. It's been a while phela Prime. Phela ingane manje besesibamba 10 years ingayiboni through.
iPirates ifunana.
Yeah.
iPirates ifunana. iPirates ifunana apha. Masuke. Yeah.
Yeah.
Mayisuke iPirates.
Yeah, skip on Prime. Kaizer Chiefs Prime, they won it. We won kanjani? How did they win it?
It was a nice game, ne?
Yeah.
Yeah. I think amajita azimisele onke futhi ubone like ba each and everyone akubethi ispan sakhe ne. And like ucoach uncedile kubasintshela ukeeper afa ku Peterson wenze kakuhle kakhulu Peterson ne. And like uMarty udlale as a captain nyane today ne. Yeah, I think amajinyana be azitshena ukuthi hayi yethu lena futhi each and everyone like ufightile ne sub zethu zasho za fighter. Yeah.
So Orlando Pirates ilahle kuphi?
Well, and the Pirates, I think like each game was still balancing. I think go keeper uMakaula, nabonkocha, I don't know about ke bemkhuphela and then enze saphu ka Dlamini no King Vuvu no Fududu. Yes. Then I think like ucoach ilahle kada. Cause like after that besebedlala ama long balls and everything manje sengasibakhombani kanti ngobe khona unkota bathi bemfumana like a runner cause like une pace and everything yabo anything like ibingenzeka bese kusekhona unkota but unkota bathi ngasekho. Yes.
Sure, any message to the Kaizer Chiefs Plus?
We love you guys. Yeah. And foot like we thank you a lot and win for today and for this cup. Yeah. After I'm not going to say that, but a win is a win.
A win is a win.
But after how many a cup is a cup. Yeah. So like we love you guys and we'll stay always supporting you. No akunjani na. Yabona namhlanje bakunjani? Unyamezeleni khona ntoni? Umvuzo tata.
Bheka. You still believe in Nabi?
Nabi?
Yeah.
He's a great coach, sure. He's a great coach. Like we need basimnike. Even about like basically ithatha cup like I still believe but like next season like usazosenzela okuhle and more. Yeah.
Any message to him?
Narzidin Nabi. I will try to speak Spanish ne because I just struggle like English ne. Bonjour.
Yeah.
Mr. Baby.
Yeah. Yeah.
Vamos.
Yeah.
Yes.
Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. This is Mzansi Football.